Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make grape pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh grapes, some sugar, cornstarch, and water. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother. This ensures your pudding turns out perfectly, with the right balance of sweetness and texture. Get ready to create a delightful dessert. Now let's prepare our grapes. Start by thoroughly washing and destemming your 2 cups of fresh grapes. Next, take about half of these grapes and blend them into a smooth puree. This will form the base of our pudding. For a lovely textural contrast, simply have the remaining grapes. These will be added later, giving your pudding a wonderful bite. It's all about balance. Time to cook our delicious pudding. In a saucepan, combine your grape puree, sugar, and cornstarch. Place it over medium heat and stir constantly. This continuous stirring is key to preventing lumps and achieving a smooth, thick consistency. Once it starts to thicken, gently fold in your halved grapes. Continue cooking for just 2 more minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Almost done. The final steps are simple and satisfying. Carefully pour your hot grape pudding into individual serving dishes. Allow them to cool slightly at room temperature before transferring them to the refrigerator. Chill for at least 2 hours. This allows the pudding to set completely and develop its full flavor. Before serving, consider garnishing with a sprig of fresh mint or a few whole grapes for an elegant touch. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.